Hello students, welcome to Sant Tukaram National Model Schools YouTube channel. Myself Mr. Abhilash Zadav, and I welcome you back to the sixth part of the video where we are learning about a lesson from 5th standard science, and the lesson is about the food production. We can even call it the crop production. My dear friends, in last part of the video, we have studied about the importance of application of the fertilizers and application of the manure, which will increase the fertility of the soil, and the crops which we want to grow, which the farmer wants to grow in his farm, will get the sufficient amount of the nutrients, right amount of the nutrients. Now in this part of the video, my dear friends, we are going to learn the next stage of the farming, and that is weeding, and as well as we will be learning about the harvesting also. So first of all, we will see what is weeding. My dear friends, as I said, farmers use the pesticides. Why do they use the pesticides? To remove the unwanted insects, the insects which can harm the growth of the plants, growth of the crops. Those insects, as farmers remove with the help of the pesticides by means by spraying the pesticides, he can remove those insects. The same way, there is another thing is that the unwanted plants, means the weeds, which can also harm or which can also affect the growth of the crop or growth of the plants. These unwanted plants, these things also have to farmer remove. So what is weeding? We will study. Weeds are unwanted plants which grow among the crops. While crops grow, along with these crops, some certain unwanted plants will also grow. These can harm the growth of the plants. How? Because these plants will utilize the nutrients which should be utilized by the crop or the plant, and that's why they can affect the growth of the crops. And that's why it is very essential, it is very important to remove these weeds. They are removed by using the weedicides. As we use the pesticides to remove the pests or the insects, the same way farmers can use the weedicides. They spray the weedicides, so these unwanted plants gets removed. And these also can be removed manually by our hand. How can we remove? By pulling them with the hands. And sometimes we also remove these weeds during the soil preparation in the early stage of the farming. So this was about the weeding. Now after doing all these things, after preparing the land, after removing the weeds, after irrigating the land, after application of the manure and fertilizers, everything has farmer done. He has done lots of hard work. He spent lots of time in his farm. He has taken care of all those things. He has used the good quality of the seeds. Now after doing all these things, this is the time to harvest the crop. So what is harvesting? Once the crop is matured, that means completely grown, these plants, the useful parts of the plants are cut and they are gathered. This gathering is called as the reaping. So this process of cutting down and gathering the useful parts of the plants collectively, it is called as the harvesting. In simple words, we can define harvesting as harvesting is the process of gathering the completely grown parts of the plant or parts of the crop or useful parts of the crop. This is called as the harvesting. Harvesting depends on certain factors like the season in which the farmer harvested, what is the variety of the crop, and how much time the crop required. That means the maturity period. So these all factors affects the harvesting. So once the crop is completely grown, these crops can be harvested, and this process of collecting, gathering the useful parts of the plants can be called as the harvesting. Over irrigation, irregular sunlight, which can affect the growth of the plant and which can affect the period of the harvesting. So if the over irrigation is there, irregular irrigation is there, irregular sunlight is there, the rainfall is not there, then this may lead to it may affect the harvesting. It can delay the harvesting. Early harvesting, it will try to cut down the useful parts of the plants before they mature. That can also affect it can also cause the loss. And if we will delay, or the farmer delays the harvesting, that can also lead to loss of the crops. So harvesting has to be done on time. So this was about the two things we have studied: weeding and harvesting. So in next part of the video, we'll see about the storage. After doing all these things, farmer has to store the crops very properly. How can he do that? We'll see it in the next video. Thank you so much.